Hello, welcome to YouTube. This is Vivolds. This is Brenna, she's my BFF, and we're gonna do a craft project today. We're gonna redo a table, and we'll give you more updates later, but we're gonna pick it up now. We're in a truck. We love trucks. Anything else, Brenna?
We just drove like too long to get here.
Oh, way too long to get here to buy a $20 coffee table. Okay, so we're gonna get it now, and then we're gonna take it home and go to Lowe's, and you'll probably see us at Lowe's. A seated sitting, I don't know how to say it.
Like a chill area.
Like a chill seating area with a table. A floor, table, sitting area. I'll pop up a picture of kind of the vibe we're going for. So right now we're looking for possible rug and cushion floor options at Ross, TJ Maxx, and we're gonna go to Lowe's, which is right next door. And that's all. We're gonna try to film inside. Look at this, actually. But I don't know if I like this pattern. It's really big, though, actually, which I kind of vibe with that. Oops. We didn't find anything. So Brenna's buying a pot. But like, how are we gonna turn it now? Oh. Okay, we are going to go into At Home to look for a rug and possible floor cushions, but mainly a rug because they have cheap rugs. It's currently 9:30. We started at 4:30. We're feeling good. Okay, I kind of like this one, but I don't know if it's gonna, oh no, it's 48. But I don't know if this is gonna go with my other rugs, dude. It's so neutral that it's like hard to not, but also my other rugs are just so overpowering. I would love to get a rug that's in the same style as the rug I have. Rugs. Oh yeah, exactly like this.
But
we found the rug. And this is the status of the table. Okay, I decided to make the cushions because everything online, I was like, thought I was seeing some cheaper ones, and then when I was looking at what I actually wanted, everything was like $30 plus for one freaking cushion. So I decided to make it. Just basically made a pillowcase. I just made a rectangle and then stuffed it full of stuffing, and then I'm making these little thinger things, and it's taking pretty much 85 years, but it's gonna look so cute, and it's like so cushy and actually like a good cushion.
Watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow.